Outside in an AMG, right outside.
Okay,
Two-time
Trent.
baby girl, you know me. Still with
Okay,
the dogs
Trent.
that are inside. All the niggas round, gotta watch the time. Lying right about it. I'm outside.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. As you can see, got the Camaro in the background. Tell by title and thumbnail, we're going to be doing a full brake job on this thing. Rotors, end pads. So let's show you the parts. We have this beautiful, gigantic R1 Concepts rotor for the front. This one is, like I just said, the front one, I believe. So yeah, that is a big rotor. Like, I have a giant hand, and you can see, I believe they're 14-inch rotors, if I'm not mistaken. So we have all 4 drilled and slotted rotors. We also have fresh set of Brembo pads for the front and the rear. And we're also going to be painting the calipers. I decided to go with blue because, as you guys know, I'm going with Nightwing as the name of this car. And if you know anything about comics, Nightwing started off as blue before he changed to red. And blue just so happens to be my favorite color. So yeah, we're gonna be changing the color of the calipers. And once the color is changed, we also have some fresh Brembo stickers to go on every caliper. So hopefully this turns out nice. Really don't want to do this twice, but let's get started, shall we? All right, guys, so we got our beautiful 4-star wheel out the way with the big meaty 315. So first I'm gonna go ahead and remove the pads, so that way I could just have the caliper by itself. So first, what you want to do is you have 1 pin and 2 pin. You're gonna want to knock these pins out, and these pins keep this retainer in here, and you take the retainer out and then have access to the pads. And fun fact, I didn't make a video, but as you can see, I have PF ADT springs. The car is lowered 1.25 inches all the way around. So let me continue with this brake job. Stop talking so much, and I'll pick up when I get to the next step. So got the pads out. As you can tell, they are pretty slick. So definitely was having major brake fade. As you can also see, these are Wagner pads. So Wagner is definitely a great brand. Well, anyways, I guess let's keep going. All right, guys, so as you can see, I made up my mind on to just remove the whole caliper. I know this looks like it's hanging by the brake line, but I promise you it's not. But yeah, so I'm gonna get this cleaned up and then go ahead and lay the first coat of paint and then see where this takes us. As you can see, I taped up the brake line and the bleeder screws. So I'm gonna lay down this first coat. Okay, guys, so got my base coat, quote unquote, placed on here. Looks okay on camera, but it is literally quite horrible, if I must say so myself. But I'm gonna let this one dry for about 10 to 15 minutes, come back and spray another one.
1 hour later.
All right, guys, this is like maybe an hour later, but as you can see, that blue is looking quite nice. Now I'm going to put the Brembo sticker on, and I have a clear coat, and I think I'm gonna clear over the sticker, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All right, so had a turn of unfortunate events. As you can see, went to peel the sticker off, took my paint with it. So now I would say I'm gonna start over, but I think I'm gonna just paint this again, paint over this, leave it like that, and clear it, and then put my other sticker on. All right, y'all, got a little preview of what it's gonna look like. Blue definitely came out great. As you can see, I had to redo that, but yeah, I just better process when I had to put the rotor on. But I think I'm gonna let this dry overnight. Put the sticker on when pretty much in the morning, and probably just keep going with all the others and then show you guys the finished product
Tomorrow.
All right, guys, so as you can clearly see, it's daylight out now, but I did get both sides done on the back, like painted it, brakes assembled, new rotors, everything. So now I'm gonna flip the car so I can do the front side, so I can have some room. As you can see, I got this wall right here. But since I gotta flip the car, let's get a look of these on the outside. Well, in the sunlight. If I do say so myself. You can see I still don't have the Brembo stickers. I gotta get more since the first one was a fail. But like I said, I'm gonna do the chrome one, and I'll pick up another set of stickers and follow them later. Okay, guys, so it has been probably about a week or so since the last clip that you guys saw. As you can see, obviously I have the brake job finished up. Got the car outside, about to wash it right quick, but didn't exactly get you guys any clips in the daylight. I did take some, you know, Instagram shots or whatever, so I might throw those in here still. So that's the rear. The blue actually turned out very nice. And like in the sunlight, these things look amazing. That's a better shot right there. That one. And if you guys remember, this is the caliper where the paint ripped off. As you can see, you can't even really tell. So guys, with that being said, that's gonna be it for this little short install video. I don't know how long it is. I must say though, with the new rotors, new pads, obviously, like I just said, I had it about a week already. Brakes are a lot more sensitive than before. So I have a driving tracker for insurance, and a normal stop makes it seem like I did a hard stop on their end. So I gotta actually talk with them, sort that out. But if you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask. I'll try to remember to drop links in the description, and hope you guys enjoy it. I'll catch you guys on the next one.